was a Pan-African nationalist black organization.
You weren't letting people call you coloured anymore. You weren't letting people call you Negro anymore. You know, you were like, we're the Africans, this is who we are. Who don't like it, tough luck for them, you know.
We were called black, this, black, that, all the ignoble things about being black we were called. So we knew we were black. But there's nothing we could have done to elevate ourselves apart from joining the black movement.
Just having those two words put together like that, Black Power, it was like I wanted part of that.
We were really, as a group, just kind of waking up to political consciousness. Well, of course, that was going to be considered dangerous.
The state came down very viciously, and Tony was actually arrested, tried, and jailed for this article.
We begin to understand that we are not playing with revolution, we're not playing with radical politics, because the state was taking us seriously. We were really in danger of losing our freedom.